Get acquainted with the 2010 Toyota Tundra. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This hard-working Tundra offers impressive towing and hauling capability, a smooth, comfortable ride, desirable standard safety and infotainment features, and competitive fuel efficiency. Prepare to fall in love. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, multi-zone AC, locking limited slip differential, stability control, rear-wheel drive, intermittent wipers, traction control, pass-through rear seat, split bench seat, passenger vanity mirror. Strength blends beautifully with comfort in this well-appointed Tundra. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.